POCO C71 has just launched in India. It's a budget 4 grams device featuring a 6.8 8-inch LCD screen with HD plus resolution, 120 Hz and 450 nits. The design is flat, measuring 8.26 millimeters and weighing 193 grams. It also has IP52 rating and comes in gold, blue and black. It features a 32 megapixel rear camera, an 8 megapixel front camera, and runs on Android 15 with 2 years of updates and 4 years of security patches. Its processor is the Unisoc T7250 with 4 or 6 GB of RAM depending on your configuration and with the option of 6 GB of virtual RAM. It will also have options of 64 or 128 GB of storage. Its battery is 5200 mAh and will support 15 watts charging. It also offers side fingerprint reader, 3.5mm jack and its price announced for India, for the version of 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage, which is the top edition, is 7,499 rupees, that's about $89, although remember that the prices here are different from those over there. POCO is expected to release this device in other regions soon, and if they release it in Mexico, I'll analyze it to share my initial impressions and complete review.